Hi guys, I'll be sharing with you guys a new feature on CapCut that most of you don't know about. Before I continue, please hit the like button, subscribe and comment. And I'm gonna be very brief with this video because I just want to go directly to the point and tell you what guys, the new feature I'm talking about is a game changer for us content creators. This feature is free, but I know with time CapCut is going to increase it to pro, so we have to make use of it now. This feature is called eye contact. As you can see, I was actually filming my video. I was looking at my script. I was not looking directly on the camera lens. I was talking, looking at my script so that not to miss out anything. And most of us don't know about this feature. Seriously, I'm so glad to share with you guys today. Sorry, this is a video that I filmed already. I just wanted to demonstrate and do voiceover about the feature. Content struggle is real. Just look at me. I was struggling, you have to make mistakes and so on and so forth. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you this feature and the after results. You will love it. So let's go to CapCut. I'll upload my video that I recorded already and I was editing it. We will scroll to the right and that's it. This is the feature, eye contact. This is it, eye contact. Well written, free guys, you have to miss us. And this is the after result. Check it out. How do you see? It was like I was actually looking at the camera lens, but I was actually, you can see the before video, but look at the after video now after applying the eye contact feature. So this is a game changer for us content creators. Let's make use of it. Please, if this video was helpful, subscribe, like and comment. Bye.